Breathing into stillness, restoring inner peace meditation. Welcome to this moment of stillness. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Take a long, gentle breath in and a steady breath out. Let your body begin to rest. Let yourself arrive here just as you are. Begin to notice the natural rhythm of your breath. No need to change it. Simply observe. Feel the inhale as it flows in, and feel the exhale as it flows out. Let each breath guide you inward. Let the breath become your anchor. Feel your body supported, shoulders soft, jaw relaxed, belly loose. The breath is here, and you are safe. Now gently begin to breathe into stillness. Let the breath settle into a quiet rhythm, slow and soft. With each inhale, imagine you are drawing in calm. With each exhale, imagine you are releasing tension. Inhale, ease. Exhale, letting go. Let the pauses between each breath stretch a little longer. There is nowhere to go, nothing to fix. Just this breath, just this moment. Allow stillness to rise, not because you are forcing it, but because you are allowing it. Now release any focus. Let the breath breathe itself. Rest in the spacious awareness you've created. Still, quiet, grounded. There is peace here. Even if it's subtle, trust it. Let yourself be gently held by this stillness. Bring your attention back to your breath, back to your body. Wiggle the fingers and toes softly. Take one more gentle breath in and a full breath out. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this quiet into the rest of your day, a soft reminder that stillness is always within you.